Hi everyone, I'm your Law of Attraction and Life Coach Gagandeep Sidhu, and welcome to my channel Positive Minds. And as I usually do, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any meditation, any Grabovoi or any updates about Law of Attraction. So in today's video, we are going to talk about Grabovoi codes. I've got a lot of DMs in Instagram and Facebook and other social media platforms that Gagan, please make a detailed video. That we loved your reels on Instagram, but we need some more details, and I thought, okay, this is the right time that I should share this knowledge with you. So what are Grabovoi codes? Of course, this is another law of attraction technique, and it is also based on energy. Well, I always talk about energy because any techniques of law of attraction, of course, works well, but they're just a vehicle, right? And end of the day, it's all about energy. So who invented Grabovoi codes? So they were invented by a Russian psychic, Grigory Grabovoy. He had, of course, a lot of experience, and of course there are some controversial parts also about his journey. But yes, he developed Grabovoi codes, and what's the logic behind it is that, look, we are all connected with this universe, maybe living things, non-living things, with some radiomagnetic fields. We all understand that, right? At times, when we are understanding energy, as you go and learn more about energy, we'll understand that everything is connected. For example, you pick up a rock, near the riverbed, or sometimes you pick up gratitude rocks or any crystals for that matter. You find that instant connection. How does that happen? That happens because every element in this universe is connected with each other with some radiomagnetic waves. And similarly, we humans are. That's the reason we have our likes, dislikes about things, people, choices we make. So that's a fundamental of Grabovoi codes, that the numbers have a lot of healing frequency, especially for health and other issues, maybe love life, maybe your money. It can be applied in all areas of life. I have applied it in all the areas of my life, specifically money and soulmate, and it has given me wonderful results. And don't worry, I'll share those secrets with you. So moving back to, now we know that who discovered it, and now we talk about what is the logic behind, those Grabovoi codes numbers. So these are also called the cheat codes of the universe. You will find a lot of videos across all the social media platforms. But yes, I decided that, okay, I will take today's time to help you understand that how do these Grabovoi codes work, how do these Grabovoi codes work, and how we can, use them more effectively and powerfully. As these are cheat codes of the universe, of course, this does not mean that by just using this Grabovoi code, there will be magical changes in your life. May or may not be possible. I truly recommend that those don't depend on them. These are, these are enhancing your manifestation. But yeah, there are a lot of inner work which we need to do in our manifestation process. So be patient with it, and be patient with yourself. Be the person you want to become in the manifestation process. That's the key to law of attraction, as I always keep talking about. So starting about that, everything that we are all connected with energy. I hope you understand the concept. So let me start with giving you a understanding that how Grabovoi codes are used for money, for love, and for other areas of your life, and how to effectively use them. First of all, in some Grabovoi codes, you will see there is a full complete number. There are 5 to 7 numbers which do not have a gap, and in some Grabovoi codes, there is a space, after maybe 3 numbers or 4 numbers. So that space is very, very important. Why? Every number is generating an energy, all those radionic waves. So that all these numbers have been not just found, from randomly picking up a couple of numbers. No, people who follow numerology or astrology or any other means, they know the numbers have a lot of power. So when you chant these numbers or write these numbers in the sequence which is described, you will see a lot of results coming in. Okay, so stick to the pattern. That's the most important key, because people come back and tell, okay, it's not working, and then they skip this very minute detail, and that's the reason I wanted to highlight it. Follow and stick to the pattern which is being shared. Okay, so the first Grabovoi code which I want to share is that we all need is unlimited money abundance coming to our life. So the Grabovoi code for unlimited money is 520741-8. I'll repeat, 520741-8. You see the pauses that I'm taking while I'm using this Grabovoi codes? they're very important, as I just mentioned a couple of seconds before. The use is, in your gratitude journal, you can affirm them. You're going to post videos on YouTube so that you can, while working, you can let these Grabovoi quotes reach your subconscious mind and you can use them effectively. So this is the most effective one, and I am going to share more with the article in the link in the description box, which you can download and follow. That's for money. Okay, and as we go to the health part, of course, health is super important to all of us. You can always manifest materialistic things, but it is super important in today's life that we focus on our health. So the Grabovoi code for health is 808-45700. 808-45700. This is for good health. Okay, and if you have any specific, mention in the comment section. I will give you those Grabovoi codes, or my team will post them for you. Okay, and once your health is well, your money is well, you look for love in your life. And there's so many people who come back to me and talk to me that, okay, how can I manifest my ex back? But let me today give you a generic love Grabovoi code to manifest your soulmate. Are you ready for it? Okay. So the Grabovoi code for soulmate is 9735-94066. You see that in the screen, right? So use that, and I'm going to tell you how to activate all of these with an example. Okay, the next Grabovoi code, which we all need again, is, some people come out to me, dream job, is 493151-864-1491. Just make sure, as you see it on the screen, there are pauses in the numbers. So these are the Grabovoi codes that I wanted to share with you. Yes, let us know in the comment section what are the other Grabovoi codes what you want to use, and we will share that. Okay, and so now how to use them. For example, you can use them in the gratitude journal, in your daily affirmations. While you are working, you can use them. You can record the video in your or audio in your voice and use it. And while you're writing an affirmation, I'll give you an example. For the money, you can say that, okay, I am happy and grateful to receive X amount of money, and I'm activating this by using the Grabovoi code 52074118. Okay, let me repeat. I am happy and grateful to receive unlimited money into my life. I am activating this code 52074118 and say thank you 3 times. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You see the affirmation example on your screen now, which you can use. So this is very simple. Of course, affirmation slightly becomes bigger, but as I again keep on saying, it is not just about using the affirmation, it's about the feeling also, because you need to be connected with the energy, and the more you repeat, the more you will follow. You can get aligned with the energy of the universe. So this is the affirmation example you can use. I'll share more affirmation examples in the description box. So comment that how did you like the video, and any specific Grabovoi code that you're looking for. We'll be happy to provide you with the same. And also do let us know what are the topics that you want us to make videos on. I will definitely work on that and deliver it to you. So get back to your basics, raise your vibrations, dream big, and of course stay connected for your daily dose of positivity. This is Vitamin G signing off, and do subscribe and come back to us on a daily basis. Thank you and have a great day ahead.